Today I like to explain something regarding the SIKA pneumatic pump P40. So you see, this is the pump, and on the pump you have a hose assembly, and time by time the customers ask how to disconnect these hose assembly. So at least it's very easy because it's screwed in. That means you need a wrench, a standard wrench like this with 15 millimeters, and then you can easily disconnect the wrench by screwing it out in this direction. Hold the hose thread and then it's disconnected. So that means you have the hose on this side. This is the connection for the device under test. Is G 1/4 inch, and this side is the thread for the assembling to the pump. This is an G 1/8 inch thread, and of course suitable for the pump assembling on this position. Maybe one remark: you have to take care. There is a small seal inside, yeah, and that everything is well sealed. You have to take care that you place this seal inside. So if you like to assemble it again, no problem, opposite. So that means you have to screw it in. Whoop. Something here. In this way you can turn it around. And then with the wrench fix it and tighten, and that's all. So that means then the hose assembly is again connected to the pump.